I'm George Febish, and welcome to How to Use Drinking Fountains in Italy. First of all, the water in Italy is very drinkable. It's clean, it's refreshing, it's delicious, and there are fountains everywhere. But there's some tricks to using the fountain. You can either use it as a water fountain where the water will shoot up so that you can drink without touching anything, or there's a spout where you can fill water bottles to take on your journey with you during the day. Now these fountains are located everywhere, but there are some tricks to using them, so watch on. The water is clean and easy to use. If you see the little spout where you fill bottles, put your finger under it to close it and it'll shoot out so you can drink. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe below and don't forget to check the bell so that you get notified when I put up new videos with new exciting cities around Europe. Thank you.